Hi everybody, this is Lawyer Larry in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today I'd like to talk to you about how to get your car repaired after an accident. There's two ways to do that. First is go through your own insurance company. So your own insurance company will dictate which body shop that you send your car to. If it involves a pickup, they'll take care of that. The drawback is that you have to pay the deductible based on what your premium, what your agreement is with the insurance company. If it's the other party's fault, you will be able to get that deductible back. So generally, I will help my clients do that to recover their deductible. The second way is to go through the fault driver's insurance, and that's a little bit more economical since you're not required to pay the deductible up front. The drawback to that is a lot of times it takes them a long time to determine liability. So sometimes it could be a week, it could be 2 weeks, sometimes even 3 weeks where they determine that their own insured driver is at fault. And when they determine that, they will be responsible for repairing your vehicle, but it does take time. So if there's any question or concern about that, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to go over with you in more details and also answer any emails regarding that issue. Thank you for watching and take care.